A spacious, open-plan bamboo house nestled amidst lush tropical greenery. The house features a curved, sloping roof and walls constructed from interwoven bamboo, creating a warm, natural aesthetic. Large, sliding bamboo doors open out onto a wide wooden deck. The deck extends the house's living space, providing a seamless transition between interior and exterior. Furniture like a hammock, a sofa, and a dining table are situated on the deck, creating a relaxed atmosphere. The bamboo's warm, golden brown tones contrast beautifully with the deep green of the surrounding vegetation, providing a tranquil and immersive scene. Tropical plants and palms fill the surroundings. A modern glass pavilion nestled within a serene Japanese garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Glass walls and a dark gray metal frame enclose a minimalist interior with light-toned wood accents, a wooden deck, and comfortable seating areas. The garden is filled with lush greenery, including emerald and brownish-orange foliage. Trees with vibrant fall colors, reds, oranges, and yellows, frame the structure. The scene is bathed in soft, diffused light, creating a tranquil and beautiful atmosphere. Include a small pond with rocks and greenery. Visible shelves with simple items within the interior. Two small, simple wooden stools or tables near the deck's edge. A modern, eco-friendly home exterior with lush vertical gardens. A two-story structure, dark charcoal gray metal siding with wooden accents, featuring multiple levels of planter boxes and hanging gardens overflowing with vibrant green foliage, creating a wall of greenery. The ground level has a large wooden deck extending the length of the house. Glass sliding doors lead to a stylish indoor space with a minimalist, light-toned wooden interior and a dining area. Elements like a kitchen area, dining table, chairs, and a cozy seating area are visible through the glass. The setting is subtly landscaped with grass and stepping stones. A mid-century modern, cozy A-frame cabin nestled within a lush, tropical forest. Impressionist, slightly hazy light filtering through the large, triangular windows, illuminating the interior with a warm, golden hue. Dark green, vibrant foliage and ferns surround the wooden deck and the base of the cabin. Black metal and dark stained wood accents contrast with the light interior and the deep greens of the surrounding vegetation. The cabin possesses large glass walls with visible interior furnishings, a comfortable lounge area, and a wooden staircase leading to the upper level. The trees and foliage are a rich mix of dark and medium greens, creating a deep sense of immersion in nature. A wooden deck and a few planters with tropical plants are visible. A modern, minimalist concrete and timber home nestled within a lush forest setting. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors offer stunning views into the interior, which features warm wood paneling and a spacious living area with a fire pit on a deck. The exterior is a light gray concrete, with vertical green plant walls that cover portions of the structure, providing a natural contrast. The roof is also covered with greenery. The deck is a dark gray composite material. A fire pit sits centrally on the deck, flames adding a warm glow to the scene. The surrounding landscape is a mix of green grass, wildflowers, and mature trees. The lighting is soft, natural, and evocative of the late afternoon. A spacious, tropical outdoor patio area. A large, light beige stucco house with a terracotta roof forms the backdrop. A pergola with a wooden frame, adorned with green vines, provides shade and defines the dining area. Multiple palm trees and lush green foliage surround the house and patio, creating a vibrant, tropical atmosphere. Outdoor dining furniture, including a long wooden table and chairs, and plush seating are set beneath the pergola. The patio flooring is light beige stone, complemented by manicured lawns of vibrant green grass. The lighting is bright and sunny, casting soft shadows. The overall aesthetic is impressionistic, focusing upon the natural beauty of the scene. A spacious, tropical outdoor patio area. A large, light beige stucco house with a terracotta roof forms the backdrop. A pergola with a wooden frame, adorned with green vines, provides shade and defines the dining area. Multiple palm trees and lush green foliage surround the house and patio, creating a vibrant, tropical atmosphere. Outdoor dining furniture, including a long wooden table and chairs, and plush seating are set beneath the pergola. The patio flooring is light beige stone, complemented by manicured lawns of vibrant green grass. The lighting is bright and sunny, casting soft shadows. A modern Japanese home nestled within a lush forest, hyper-realistic, tranquil Zen garden surrounding a contemporary house, large sliding glass doors showcasing a minimalist interior with warm wooden tones, fireplace, sofa and dining area, dark gray exterior and concrete decking, water pond with large rocks and lush green foliage, natural light illuminating the space, subtle color palette of grays, browns, greens and beige, impressionistic lighting highlighting the foliage, calm atmosphere. Close-up detailed view of the garden and house, focus on the harmony between the natural landscape and architectural design, smooth water reflection of the surrounding elements. Cozy outdoor patio area under a wooden pergola, featuring a sectional sofa set with colorful throw pillows, accented by various potted plants in terracotta and teal pots. The patio is paved with terracotta tiles leading to a grassy lawn. The pergola is supported by substantial, rustic-style wooden posts, with a light beige/cream-colored wall behind the seating area. Hanging baskets overflowing with vibrant flowers in shades of pink, purple, and green cascade down from the pergola, adding a touch of floral exuberance. The surrounding greenery is lush and varied. The image presents a calming, eclectic aesthetic, with a focus on natural elements and a mix of textures. Impressionistic style, with a focus on depicting the atmosphere and mood rather than photorealistic detail. A modern, curvaceous, wooden and glass structure nestled within a lush, green garden. The building, an oval shape with a dark gray metal roof and wooden interior, is nestled within mature trees. The curved walls are lined with light-toned, warm wood. Large glass panels offer views into an interior with a bedroom, featuring light beige furniture. Subtle lighting illuminates the space. The garden surrounds the building, with various plants, including lush foliage, palms, and shrubs. Large natural stones are scattered throughout. A patio area with a wooden deck leads up to the structure. The colors are earthy tones of greens, browns, grays, and beige. The lighting suggests a warm, late afternoon or early evening atmosphere. A modern, minimalist, eco-friendly, curved, oval-shaped house nestled within a lush green garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Soft, diffused natural light and warm, earthy tones. The house features large glass windows. The red portion of the house has black framed windows. A stone-colored porch and stairs lead up to the entry. Ground cover, shrubs, and fallen leaves of varying autumnal tones fill the landscaping. A modern Zen garden nestled next to a contemporary home. Hyper-realistic. Large expanse of dark gray gravel, interspersed with strategically placed, large, gray/dark gray river stones and stepping stones. A wooden deck extends from the home, with large glass sliding doors providing a seamless transition between the interior and the meticulously designed garden. Autumn leaves, vibrant oranges and reds, are visible on mature maple trees bordering the garden. The house itself is contemporary with a dark gray exterior, and a light brownish-orange wooden roof overhang. The setting is a residential property, possibly in a temperate climate. Focus on subtle textures of the gravel, stones, and plants. A mid-century modern home with a large glass-walled deck. The deck is made of reddish-brown wood planks, and there are orange lounge chairs and dark gray chaise lounges. The home's exterior is a warm brick orange, and the roof is a muted, burnt orange. The deck extends out from the home, creating an outdoor living space. The surrounding landscaping features low-maintenance plants and grasses in varying shades of green, yellow, and brown. Large rectangular paving stones create pathways throughout the yard, leading to the deck. There are trees with yellow and orange autumn leaves visible in the background. A beach house with a modern, coastal aesthetic. Large, light gray stone exterior walls meet a dark gray metal roof. Large sliding glass doors and windows offer expansive ocean views. Wooden beams and columns add a touch of warmth to the structure. A multi-level deck with a light gray/white wooden plank floor leads down to a swimming pool with dark blue water. Outdoor wicker furniture, including a sectional sofa, and supporting cushions in muted cream/gray tones are situated on the deck. The scene is bathed in natural sunlight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Plants and landscaping are featured in the foreground and along the edges of the property. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch at dusk. A two-story, white farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a covered front porch. The porch spans the entire front of the house, supported by white pillars. The porch floor is made of stained brown wood that extends to the front steps. The walls of the farmhouse are painted in a creamy off-white. Large windows with black frames offer views of the interior. Brown wicker furniture and beige outdoor furniture are situated on the porch. The setting is a tranquil rural area with tall trees lining the property. The image is soft-lit, capturing the warm, golden hues of the setting sun, casting a gentle glow over the scene. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch scene. A cozy, light beige farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a wide front porch supported by light brown wooden columns. The house has a simple, clean aesthetic with white siding and black windows with dark shutters. The porch features comfortable wicker furniture with beige and gray cushions. The scene is set in a rural landscape, with a field of golden yellow harvested crops visible in the background, and lush green trees surrounding the house. Well-manicured lawn surrounds the house and porch, with a variety of low-growing shrubs and plants in flower beds adding depth and visual interest. The image is well-lit, with soft natural daylight, evoking a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. A charming, light-filled farmhouse porch scene. A cozy, light beige farmhouse with a dark gray metal roof, featuring a wide front porch supported by light brown wooden columns. The house has a simple, clean aesthetic with white siding and black windows with dark shutters. The porch features comfortable wicker furniture with beige and gray cushions. The scene is set in a rural landscape, with a field of golden yellow harvested crops visible in the background, and lush green trees surrounding the house. Well-manicured lawn surrounds the house and porch, with a variety of low-growing shrubs and plants in flower beds adding depth and visual interest. A modern, contemporary home with a spacious, light-filled bedroom. The property has a well-manicured, landscaped garden with various greenery. Hyper-realistic, outdoor scene of a modern home with a large, open-plan living space extending to a deck. The home features a dark gray exterior, complemented by a warm reddish-brown wood interior and large windows. Walls and pillars feature a light beige stone. The wooden deck has dark gray metal supports. The garden is filled with a mix of leafy plants, shrubs, and a few tall, dramatic palm-like plants. Gravel pathways, light gray flagstone and stepping stones wind through the greenery leading up to the entrance. Subtle warm-toned lighting accents the landscaping. A modern Japanese-style home with a serene outdoor courtyard. Large, dark gray/black exterior with exposed stone and timber accents. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows overlooking a tranquil water garden. A smooth, dark wooden deck extends from the house out over a small, calm pond filled with stones. The pond is surrounded by lush greenery, including ferns, various shrubs, and grasses. Walking paths of dark gray/slate flagstone wind through the garden, leading to more landscaping with greenery. The lighting is soft, warm, and ambient, highlighting the textures of the wood and the garden features. Trees and lush foliage frame the perimeter. A modern, mid-century inspired home with a large glass front porch. Exterior stone facade in